Coming to the functions of Central Pollution Control Board, we told that cleanliness and quality monitoring of the air and water sanitation is main objective of this Central Pollution Control. Main functions are advise the central government on any matter concerning prevention and control of water and air pollution. So any matter related to air and water pollution is being monitored, and advice is taken from the central government, and the board is being operating the activities to control these pollutions. Plan and execute nationwide pollution control program. So this pollution control program nationwide in every state is being implemented, and regular monitoring of the pollution of vehicles, air, water is being done. Coordinate the activities of state board and pollution control committee. So all the activities are being executed well, and it is being coordinated. Provide technical assistance and guidance to the state board. Carry out the sponsor investigations and research related to pollution control. So all the state are being executing the pollution control board activities. Similarly, along with that, various research activities and sponsor investigations are being also carried out to improve the air and water quality. Plan organized training programs, organize mass awareness program. Presently, through all type of mass medias, we are giving advertisement about improvement of how to improve the quality of air and water by preventing waste dumping in the water, and also increase more and more usage of public transport rather than each individual member in the family taking vehicle and going out. Thereby we can control the pollution. So in that way control is coming, and we are advising more of public transport systems. Collect, compile and public technical and statistical data relating to water and pollution. So all the aspect and statistics of each month pollution status is being taken of air and water and is being submitted to the central government. So disseminate the information in respect of matters relating to air and water pollution. So all the information are being disseminated, and it is being informed to the state board, and activities as per the central government or central board, it is being informed and disseminated, and various other measures are being taken so that pollution is being under control. National Pollution Prevention Day. It is being observed on 2nd December. This day is observed in the memory of people who lost their lives in Bhopal gas tragedy. I hope you are remembering, and you might have learned about this in your school level about this Bhopal gas tragedy. So in remembrance of this, we are observing this day, and this day is also called as National Pollution Prevention Day. So we have to make environment safe for us to live, and also for future generation to enjoy the environment and the wildlife. Next is Control of Pollution Act. We have this act. It is initiated in 1974. It is being amended frequent basis, and aim is it deal with a variety of environmental issues including waste on the land, water pollution, abandoned mines, noise pollution, prevention of atmospheric pollution. Here you can see how small kids, they are being collecting some materials from the waste products, and nearby you can see these plastics are being burned, and these fumes are being inhaled by these kids. How much dangerous it is. So this act is being having certain measures to control the atmospheric pollution, and we are not supposed to burn this plastic. And now in Kerala it is becoming a model that we have banned these plastic covers, and now I think for the past 6 months we are continuing with not using these plastic bags. Instead of that we are using cloth bags, and there is a lot of change in every houses. We can see previously there was dumping of plastic covers in the home. Now we will not be able to see that kind of issue. Thereby there will not be any flood like issues in future. So in that way we can make our environment safe, and make public aware about why certain environmental disasters are coming, and what can be done so that we can control these issues and make the environment safe for everyone. Thank you all. I hope it is clear. Any doubts or queries in any of the units or classes what I have taken, kindly message me. So time being, I am concluding my classes. I have completed the allotted units for you all. Thank you all for your cooperation. See you soon after pandemic. Thank you.